So in the month of May, I talked about pursuing my dream of becoming a full-time independent artist and planning out my whole career, breaking them down into 4 phases or 4 quarters. This week marks the completion of the first quarter, which was from the month of March till May, and I just wanted to share an update of my journey so far, my highs and my lows. No filters, real talk. Hi everyone, Manga here, and welcome back to my channel. So just to give you guys a quick recap, a few months ago I lost my job as a visual designer, and in between searching for a new job and just the whole waiting game period, I decided to pursue one of my dreams, which was to become an independent artist by 2025-2026. And I'm so grateful to have you all in this journey. Now this is going to become a series where I will give you an update after every 3 months, quarterly updates, and just to tell you where I am in my journey, the goals that I've reached and were able to achieve, the ones that I'm not able to achieve, so that this would become a good resource for anyone in the future who would want to pursue being an independent artist. And so it's been hard mentally and emotionally, to say the least, and because of my job hunt and the whole waiting period just to hear back from the companies that I've applied to. And I've stated the reasons in my previous video. So just to give you a quick recap, the world being in this economic slump because of various reasons right now, and then we have just the creative industry being very competitive, highly competitive, and then the lack of job security, and then with the added AI being introduced as well. So all of that plus just a whole lot more, it's difficult. So this passion project has been like a really good distraction to keep myself busy and as I wait for my job applications and to get updates. But anything that's worth achieving and going after has never been easy, right? So it's, even though I'm still in my initial stage of going through and pursuing this project, and it's just been 3 months, it's been such a huge help. Like I've already seen changes in my life. For example, I've become more organized. I plan ahead in weeks now, and I've been able to accomplish a lot of personal illustrations and character designs, which in turn I've been able to update my portfolio website. And so all in all, it's been a really good 3 months. So yeah, let's dive into my Notion setup and we'll go through the goals again. Alrighty, so we are once again in my roadmap for my business, for my art business 2024-25, which is a page, part of my studio business plan in Notion. So yeah, let's have a look at my goals I set for myself in the first quarter. So the first goal was to develop a strategic social media presence, and the first goal that I wanted to achieve was to develop a sustainable workflow so I could avoid burnout. And so I've been able to achieve that. I've been able to steadily make and consistently upload videos here on YouTube, and then maintain a good schedule on other social media platforms, namely Instagram and Twitter, X, and then Blue Sky as well. I'm not very heavily focused on these, and I think you already know the reasons why, with the algorithm and the things that are happening around with these platforms. And so my number one social media platform to build a presence or a following of tribe community is YouTube right now, and the rest are just supplementary. If it happens, well and good. If it doesn't, then that's fine. So that's that. The second was to make more expressions for my chibi avatar, and then the third was to have new videos uploaded. Would consistently get 100 videos within the first 48 hours. So I've been able to achieve that as well. Now when it comes to creating consistent and high quality search driven content on YouTube, it's been both a hit and a miss. So I've reached 500 subscribers, and I believe in the month of May I had about 400 something. I'll post a screenshot on the screen somewhere to show you guys, and where I am currently, how many subscribers I have currently. And so I've reached 500 subscribers, and then have five videos ranked in the top 20 of their search terms. For this, I could only do or achieve this for only one of my videos. I'll post a screenshot of that as well somewhere. And then the third one is to get 15,000 views on one of my videos. The max that I could get was 11,440 views. This was for my Canvas Huion Canvas Pro 16 review. So I'll post a screenshot of that as well. So yeah, overall really good with my social media presence. When it comes to my manga, Diadem Chronicles, first and foremost, I wanted to finish all the character designs of the main characters, protagonists and antagonists. So one is young Gideon, then we have Deborah, Nafanwa, and the Sharad. I'm done with these four. Gideon's mom is also almost done. I just have to wrap up her expression sheet. So this could easily be done in a day or a day and a half, like that at most. And so these two are left, and I still have a few other characters that I need to design as well. And then the second one is to develop the culture and aesthetics of each of the four main races of this manga that I'm making. Redo finished pages from chapter 1 where young Gideon appears. So I initially finished a few pages from chapter 1 and decided to tweak Gideon's design as a young kid. So that's why he's over here. And so yeah, so I'm done with the character design, so I have to make changes on these pages, and then start inking the rest of chapter 1 as well. So what I'll be doing, and I mentioned this in my previous video as well, I'll be shifting all of these into my phase 2 or the second quarter of this roadmap that I've built for myself. So let's look at the phase 2 or the second quarter, which is going to start from June, which has already started, and it'll run till August. So continue building my audience. This is the theme or the object goal for phase 2. It's pretty much the same as the first one, just the difference would be here. So from 500 subscribers, the next target is 800 subscribers, and then have 500 views per day on YouTube, 800 views per day on YouTube, get over 25,000 views on one video. So I don't think I'm going to achieve this. Let's see. Out of all this 4, I think this is going to be the most difficult. But anyway, I'll keep it like that for now and see if I can achieve it or not. I'll be moving these 2 over here as well. And then we'll see if I'm able to achieve this in the second quarter. Coming into my manga is the same as, almost the same as the first one. I still have to finish designing the remaining main characters, Adult Gideon, and then a whole others as well. So I'll be adding these ones as well. Adult Gideon is already there, and then let's add these as well. So yeah, these are pretty much the goals for the second quarter. So I will have a link to this Notion template as well. So if you're interested in getting yourself one, I'll have it in my description box. Have a look at it. If you're interested, please purchase it, as it will help me out a lot. So now what we'll do is we'll go to my YouTube analytics and we'll have a look on the growth so far in these past 3 months, which is going to be 90 days. Now, for the interesting part, my YouTube channel's growth. So this is the landing page or the dashboard for my YouTube studio. Let's have a brief look through of my analytics for the past 3 months. So we'll change this to 90 days, which is from March 7 to June 4th. So in that time, I was able to get 2,200, almost 200 views, a watch time of 64.4, and 57 plus subscribers. So at present, this is the live count. I have 528 subscribers. And where it peaked, or where I got the most, was on May 19, where I posted this one. So this, how YouTube changed my life as an introverted artist with less than 500 subscribers, actually made me reach 500 subscribers. So this was just a really good video. I enjoyed making it as well, and I just talked about how YouTube changed my life. Let's look at the content as well. So these are full videos. I hardly do shorts, so I'm not going to go there. There's hardly any data in this. For videos, again, views 1,000, almost 1,500 in the last 90 days. Impressions 47,000 impressions. Out of that, 1.8 was a click-through rate. And then the average view duration of each video was about 2 minutes 32 seconds. So I have to improve this, and I believe that over time it'll go up as well. It just needs time. So a lot of the viewers, how people found my video, is from the browse feature, which is from the home screen, and the subscription feed or other browsing features, which is really good because it means that the algorithm is working for me, and my tags and the whole description and titles and thumbnails, they're doing their job of pulling in people from the home screen. External is as the name implies, it's from external outside of YouTube. So whether that's a website, WhatsApp, or any other social media, so that's pulling people into YouTube. YouTube search is where people specifically search for how to do this or how to do that and what is this and that, and so out of that they're able to get my videos. So I'm really happy with this. Almost got 50% from browse feature from the home page, and so it tells me that I'm doing a good job. So let's go to audience now. Returning viewers 22, unique viewers is 1700, which is really good. And again 57 subscribers. Let's have a look at breakdown of my viewers. So I've got more than 60% who are not subscribed and 35% who are subscribed. My highest viewers are from India, and then we have United States, and the others are more or less South Asian countries. And then gender is more male oriented. Age is mostly between 25 to 35 years old. And so yeah, that's actually the audience that I'm looking for. I don't care about the gender so much. It can be both male and female, but it's the age group that I'm interested in. Young adults who are wanting to pursue art as a full-time career and becoming independent and starting their own business, whether that's not just art but any creative field. So mine is also not going to be just art, it's going to be about manga and self-publishing and all that. And so any creative field where you want to be independent and have your own business of sorts, that's the audience that I'm going for. So right, this is basically it. This is my channel analytics. So for some of you, these numbers might be a lot, it might be less for some. Personally, for me, it has been really, really good. It's organic, and I think it's in a good trajectory. I don't want to go viral and become like an overnight sensation, because that would add just a lot of pressure to maintain that hype or maintain that pull or whatever you want to call it. And so this feels a lot better. I'm able to maintain a good level of mental capacity of the growth that I'm having. It's good. I am enjoying it, but at the same time I'm not overwhelmed by it. And so yeah, that's basically it. And now it's your turn. I want to hear from you about your art goals and your aspirations. Share them with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for future updates on this series, where I am on this journey of pursuing my dream of becoming an independent artist. Let's continue to inspire and cheer each other on, support each other. Until next time, keep creating and keep chasing your dreams. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Have you watched these videos about how YouTube changed my life as an introverted artist, or how I plan to become independent artist? Do check them out.